Let's review these 3 slimes that did not make the cut together. First is this brown slime. It is super sticky and the color stains my hands. But the good thing about this slime is it is actually really stretchy and smells very good. 6 out of 10. Now it's time for this green slime. This green slime is really chunky, really sticky, but it stretches really good. It also smells very interesting. 6 out of 10. Now it's time for this slime. This slime is also really chunky and sticky, but the stretches are also good. 5 out of 10.